Okay, so this is a news article from First India, and the headline is Triumphant Trump Returns. Let's understand the key phrases and words in this article. Triumphant. By triumphant means victorious. Somebody who got victory can be called triumphant. New Trump administration would restore integrity, loyalty, and competence to country. Restore means to bring back. Something that is gone, it will be brought back. Ushering in another turbulent 4-year term. Ushering in here simply means to start. Turbulent means something that is not stable, that is chaotic. Now it is already anticipated that his 4-year term that he is going to begin, that he is going to start as a president, is going to be chaotic, and it is going to face a lot of challenges. Deport millions of immigrants, secure retribution against his political enemies, and transform the role of the US on the world stage. Secure retribution. Let's first understand the meaning of this term here. Retribution means punishment. To secure retribution here means to bring punishment. Now, retribution, punishment, justice against his political enemies. Now, I'll skip this part here and come to the next key phrase and word. Trump's inauguration completes a triumphant comeback for a political disruptor who survived 2 impeachment trials. Disruptor here in general sense or idea, disruptor is somebody, some person, some agent who completely challenges the established norms or ideas. Here political word is being used as an adjective to disruptor to highlight that Donald Trump, he has completely altered the existing norms of politics and he has challenged the existing ideas in political scenario. And an indictment for attempting to overturn his 2020 election laws. Now notice the pronunciation of this word here. It is not indictment, it is indictment. Indictment means when there are some formal legal charges, criminal charges against someone. Now, assassination attempt means to try to do something. Assassination means politically motivated murder, usually of some very prominent political figure. Now, I'll quickly skip to the next part here. 4 years after a mob of Trump supporters breached the symbol of American democracy in an unsuccessful effort to forestall the Republican Trump's 2020 defeat to Democrat Joe Biden. Let me see if I have missed something. Okay. No, the Trump supporters breached. Breached means when you break something, some rule, some law, or you violate some boundaries. Here it is violating some boundaries. Breached the symbol of American democracy to an unsuccessful effort to forestall. Here, forestall is a term that can be used. Forestall simply means trying to prevent or delay something. So here, Trump from the Republican got defeated by Joe Biden, Democratic, and his supporters, they breached the American democracy in order to delay his defeat. Now, moving on to this part here, that promise is among a flurry of executive actions concerning immigration. Flurry of is used to convey the sudden or rapid action of something. When suddenly something starts pouring, something starts happening. Here it is talking about flurry of executive action. So a lot of executive actions started happening immediately. So that is it from today's news article. I hope that you learned some new words there and it provided an addition into your vocabulary. Keep following to learn more such English content. Thank you.